Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your former usernames on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Then you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see about, click on that and then you need to click on about your account and here you can see former usernames, click on that. So here you can see that these are the recent changes you have made to your username. So my previous username is internet maverick and I changed on March 8 2023. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.